Hi, this is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today I want to teach you how to screen for good stocks to day trade. Now, we'll start by going to Robinhood.com, and on the home page where it says Top Movers, we're going to click where it says Show More, and then we're going to sort by percentage price moves for the day by clicking on Today. And we're going to look at stocks that are gapping up. Now, I like to do this in the first 5 minutes after the market's opened in the morning. And a really good pick today was TCMD, Tactile Medical. So then the next thing we do is we go to Yahoo Finance, we drop in the ticker, TCMD, we go to statistics, and especially in this current bear market, it's great to look for stocks that have a high short interest that are gapping up. So if we scroll back down here under Share Statistics, so basically type in the ticker, click on Statistics, and then scroll down here, and you want to look for this key number, which is short as percentage of float. And I like this to be above 10%. If it's above 15 or 20, that's even better. And what this tells you is that 14.73% of the shares in the float, which are shares that are tradable, that are not locked up, are sold short. And so there are a lot of people who are betting the stock's going to go down. And if the stock moves up a lot, as it did today after reporting earnings yesterday after the close, these people are going to have to cover their shorts. It's going to create even more buying pressure. And it's going to force the stock to move up during the day. So what we do is we look at the first, the top movers here right when the market opens. Stocks that are gapping up 10, 12, 20, even 30%. We check on the short interest as a percentage of the float. And then we look at a 15-minute chart. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to buy these stocks. We're going to wait for 15 minutes. So these are 15-minute candlesticks. And if you're on the West Coast or if you're on the East Coast, market opens at 9:30. You won't place a trade until 9:45. And you wait for this first candlestick to form, and then you're going to want to go long right at the top of this first candlestick. So you're going to put in a limit order right at this close. Wait 15 minutes, see what the candlestick closes at, and then put in a limit order there. And usually the next bar, the stock will dip a little bit and you usually get filled. You can also use a market order if it's liquid. Limit order might be a little safer. And then you set your stop right at the bottom of this bar. And then the basic strategy is you hold it until the end of the day and you exit on the close. So today the entry price was $56.19. Exit right before the market closes at $59.66. So picked up a little more than 3 points. Now let me show you one that worked really well yesterday. It was Roku, whose products some of you may know about. This one was gapping up again quite a lot. And you can see right here, this is, again, 15-minute bars. Right here is yesterday's open. That's the first 15-minute bar. This was an especially nice trade. So we put in a limit order basically right at the close of this bar. And then we just swung the stock and held on and exited at the close. And if we look at the prices, the entry price was right around $38.16, exiting at $42.11. So again, these are nice trades to do, especially in this current bear market where you might not want to hold stocks overnight. You can see what happened to Roku the next day. This morning, gaps up, a lot of selling pressure coming in. So it's nice to do these day trades. And again, if we look, if we go to Yahoo Finance and we click on the Statistics tab for Roku, R-O-K-U, and we scroll down, you'll see the short is a percentage of the float. This is another stock that had a lot of shares sold short, and so there's a lot of pressure to cover during the day, and that's basically how we're benefiting, because the big market players they can't enter and exit as quickly as you and I can because they're moving hundreds of thousands or even millions of shares, and so what happens is as they're covering their shorts, they're buying. It's forcing the stock up. And so we can benefit from that. We can sort of jump on the back of the whale and go for a short ride. If you enjoyed the strategy and want to learn more about it, check out my book on Amazon, my Kindle book called The Big Book of Stock Trading Strategies. And you can see a link in the description notes below for this. And it will take you right to Amazon. Thanks a lot for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.